Right, Dan live, reporting live, doing fun stuff here in Gardena at Shelby. So many Shelbys, new and old, GT40s, all kinds of stuff. This is a final back lot. Take a walk around and see what's going on here. Man, you know what? If you're a Carroll guy, you live in Southern California and get to see this stuff daily, weekly, each month, each year. It is pretty amazing. Never get tired. So many cars. The car culture, the biggest in the world right here in Southern California.
I really enjoyed it.
Kids like me growing up in New York, always looking at those cars from California. Someday I wanted to be out there and I want to see these cool cars. Now, almost 40 years, I've been right out here seeing these cars. Never gets old. My buddy Tom Raber's Mustang. It's pretty awesome. He's done one hell of a job on this thing. Check out what's in the driver's seat. My buddy Pete out got that for him. And he takes that everywhere. It's known as the Gator. And you see this picture says here, World of Gator. Now he's got a Gator that co-pilots with him. And he got his helmet with a Gator on it. He's our local fella from the OC. A real hot rod. We got 3 pedals. Look at this. Awesomely done. There you have it. Dan live in Gardena, Carroll Shelby, 4th annual. We're out.